Hello and welcome back to another video from the Ashes YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about screen recording / flight recording within Liftoff. So when it comes to recording your laps, your flight, you've got a couple of options within Liftoff. I'm going to talk about flight recording and screen recording, but quickly I'll show you how we get there. So what flight recording does is it records the flight data, not a video file that you can then share with whomever you may wish to share it with, which is what we're after and what I'm going to show how you do after today's video. So a little bit misleadingly, the one you get offered at the end of a race is flight recording. When it comes to flight recording, if you do wish to use it, it comes up as a menu, little save recording, and then you title it whatever. In this case I'm going to call it demonstration because this is a little demonstration, and we will just save that. And then to view that, it has to be viewed through Liftoff, and as I said, all this is the flight data. It's not a video file, so it has to be viewed through Liftoff itself as it's in a proprietary format. So what you then do is you would then go to the tools menu and head over to replay, and then you can go in and choose your environment and your race. Like we did in straw bale, so you then just choose demonstration. As you can see there, you can see I've done a lot tracking progress. Look at the times. You come down here, press replay, and then this will reload into straw bale, and we'll play back the lap you've just watched, which we're not going to watch again. You've just watched it. So that's how flight recording works. So to get your flight recorded data out and usable, you'd then have to use a screen recorder. How screen recording works, same as I'm doing this. You've got a couple of options. I'm doing this video through QuickTime because I'm on Mac, so for that you just go to File, drop down there, screen recording, and stop recording. There's a little stop button in the top corner here. But back in Liftoff is my favourite way of doing it. So if you head into race, you can then scroll all the way to the end and get to the drawing board. And again, all the way to the end, you get to Steam Workshop. There's probably a short route, I haven't found it yet. But it's the Steam Workshop we're after. You'll then get this little pop-up of the Steam window. We'll talk through Steam Workshop in a different video. But along with this window that pops up, you get these menus and a game recording option here at the bottom. And that is, as it says, game recording. So that will give you a video recording of your gameplay. But before we do that, you come into settings here and you can head to this game recording option, and you can choose off record in the background or to record manually. I'm choosing to record manually, gives me more control, and then I've programmed F6 as a shortcut button because there's nothing assigned to that key on my keyboard already. And here you can change the folder of where the videos go. And we don't necessarily want to do that because this is just data at this point. All you've got to do is come out of there, and then out of here again, and then that key, F6, will allow me to record and stop recording at any point during my gameplay. So you've done those recordings. To get those out of here, you just come back into Steam Workshop. We've closed this window, we don't need this, and we'll click on this window, which is your recordings and screenshots. And then you can come into here, view your clips, and then you can click on one, you go down to the share button in the corner here, and then you can click export, and then you can make changes and export in a format that's right for you. So you can choose where you want it to be stored, you can choose the file quality. When you go fully into the custom menu, you can then choose maximum resolutions and frame rates and bit rates and codecs, and give yourself a full range of flexibility with your export. And it's that simple, that's it. On screen now we have one of those recordings done through Steam. And thank you for tuning in. I hope this has been helpful or insightful and you've learned something that may be useful to you. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.